Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unarchive a chat on Telegram quickly and easily. Whether you accidentally archived a chat or just want to bring an old conversation back to your main chat list, this simple guide will show you exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see your recent chats listed in order of activity. Next, scroll all the way to the top of your chat list. When you reach the very top, you'll notice a section called Archive Chats. This is where Telegram stores all the chats you've hidden or archived earlier. Now tap on Archived Chats to open that folder. You'll see a list of your archived conversations, just like your main chat list. Take a moment to find the chat you want to unarchive. Once you've found it, long press on that chat to select it. When you do this, a few options will appear at the top of your screen. Tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner. It usually represents more options or settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, tap the option labeled Unarchive. In an instant, that chat will move out of the archived folder and back into your main chat list. That's it. You've successfully unarchived your Telegram chat. It's now visible alongside all your other active conversations, ready for you to message, call, or check updates as usual. Remember, you can repeat these same steps whenever you want to unarchive other chats. The process is fast, simple, and works the same on both Android and iOS devices. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one.